want to have that bright green. This is that neon green. I want to have that coming out towards the end, and then we're just gonna make a gradient. Now there's no silicone in any of these colors. This is kind of a pretty green. Kind of reminds me of like palm trees. And this is like firs. Very Christmas. And Christmas is almost upon us, you guys. I hope you guys are preparing for all the festivities that are going. It hasn't snowed and stuck here in Detroit, but it has started snowing, but it always goes away. It's about between 25 to 40 degrees each day, and I know it's going to get much colder than that. I've got all the cold weather gear that I could possibly get. I'm just going to embrace the whole thing, because I mean, I can't do anything except that, but I'm excited for it. Been in a lot of snow, and I'm excited for it. I think it's gonna be awesome. So we are also using a titanium white as our base. I just want to make sure I have enough paint so that this stuff can slide around, do its thing. I'm not layering these colors in any specific way. I kind of want to just have fun with this one and just paint with you guys. And I know that these greens in the past have looked really nice together, so I'm kind of just layering them however they take me. And it won't matter too much what I layer on top. This is a 12 by 12 canvas, by the way. That's one thing I forgot to tell you. And I think I told you there's no silicone in any of these. Let's put down a little bit of this base coat. And then we can just start having fun. Here we go. The thinner the line gets, because that's going to be more towards the center. Kind of want a lot of details there. And thin the stream out until it's about to stop, and then we stop it. I don't want a lot of this to roll under. If I don't apply any paint, a lot of this is just gonna roll underneath. And some of the stuff on the outside edges is pretty interesting. Slowly gonna tilt it around. I really love the consistency of mixing kind of 2-to-1 with a paint and pouring medium mix. I find that it really helps the paint flow really well, but it also maintains a lot of its detail. This thing came out fantastic. I love this. So to kind of bring up a little bit, I want to add a stencil to it, and I think we're going to do the stencil in gold as well. And after the first stencil, I kind of realized that maybe using the gel medium isn't the way to go just for me specifically, because I don't think I got enough coverage on the medium itself, and then when the medium dries, it dries clear. So right now we got the same Pebeo high viscosity gold. Now I'm not gonna lie, there's not much left in here. So we're gonna just pray that there's enough, but there should be enough. Look out, guys. Yeah, we're trying to get it all out of there. I feel like that's enough. I'm hoping that's enough. So I'm just gonna gently spread this. I do want it to have a raised texture, but I don't want to force any underneath. I kind of feel like I need like an extra bit of color on this. And then we should be able to just lift it off. Oh wow. Yeah, that came out amazing. I love that.